All right. Very good. So, good afternoon to everybody who all are wonderful speakers and our bright students, alumni, faculty who are guests today on the 74th Independence Day. A proud moment for our country, a proud moment for each one of us who is patriotic. Let us start with Vande Mataram. On a count of three, we say three, two, one. Vande
वंदे
वंदे
मातरम
मातरम।
मातरम।
एक बार गा के कर देते हैं वंदे
वंदे
मातरम।
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 दोबारा से आप लोग
वंदे
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 मातरम।
मातरम।
very good, very good. Congratulations on the 15th August, an auspicious day of our country, for its countrymen, for its soldiers, for its people, for its leaders. You know, we are very happy to be with you all, and it's such a proud moment for us to have our own Chitkara University startups, you know, who have been mentored in our Chitkara ecosystem who are with us today and who have actually done us proud. It's not about what you become unicorns and you have millions and billions of dollars. It's about what is the effort you put in, you know, the sweat you put in, the commitment you have, the honesty you have. Now, the topic is Kuch Kar Dikhana Hai, Entrepreneur Ban Dikhana Hai. It is reaffirmation to us, each one of us, that if we have decided something, we will become something. We will become an entrepreneur. We will become an employer, and we will create revenue for others and us. And we will contribute to the larger pool of the Indian economy, which is growing at a very fast speed. So today we have with us, let us start with our speakers. I'll just run through their names. We have Mr. Vipul Sharma. He runs Rides Now. He is a fourth year student of Chitkara University. He is into this e-mobility and aspiring to be an entrepreneur in a bigger way. He's already an entrepreneur in the field of electric and e-mobility transport solutions. We have Nandini Sahi, who is a branding and an advertising person, a very creative. She has her company. She's a co-founder of a company called Adversity, a name which they kept on changing and all, but you know, that was the name which struck the chord. And welcome, Nandini. Thank you. We have a man with a super jazba and that guy with jazba, and you got the super hustler is Mr. Arpit Sharma. You meet him, you can see the way his body is built. A strong man who, against all odds, went on to build his company called Celebrate. Welcome, Arpit. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
We have with us Mr. Pintu Mandal. Now, is that correct?
Yes.
I hope you didn't get the O or U.
Yes.
The sound has to be Pintu.
Yes, right, sir.
Yeah, so Pintu, thank you very much. Pintu is a gentleman who is with us at the moment. He is our innovator and runs a very creative company which needs a lot of engineering called Active Cap. He's trying to disrupt the market of bottling, you know, the way we drink water, the way we take our energy drinks. And he's coming up with his company, which already is up, but he's scaling it up, called Active Cap. Welcome, Pintu. Okay.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Yeah, next we have a gentleman who's an inspiration to all the speaker panels here. On the panel here today is a gentleman who's set up his company while being a faculty, while doing his teaching duties, is Mr. Gaurav Goyal. Gaurav is an entrepreneur, is the founder of Anukai Solutions Private Limited, a company that is disrupting the market in how we how we are a part of our traffic system and traffic management system, the safety, the security of people when they are on road, how we can have more disciplined way of traffic movement. And they have done some amazing engineering in the world of AI. They have created some bots. Technology is their forte. And, constant innovation is something which he and his very young team, who are students of, again, Chitkara University. Again, they are co-founders in this company, Anukai Solutions. So welcome, Gaurav. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. We have another person, which is a gentleman who is helping young bodybuilders to do it the right way, do it with the right equipment, you know, have their exercise sessions in a safer way, also maintain their diet, also maintain a proper fitness regime, and people can easily, at their own convenient, affordable cost, their pocket capacity, can set up gyms at home. Let's welcome Mr. Karanveer Singh, the founder of Body Fit Nest. Karan, you are there? Mr. Karanveer Singh. He's already there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please be louder, Karan. Abha, did I miss anybody? If you have any other student joining.
Pranav SPM
Oh,
Bioplastic.
he joined us. Okay, we were waiting for him. We have another innovator who is from the Chitkara University Himachal campus at Baddi, the industrious town of Baddi, from Himachal Pradesh, and born and raised in Punjab. We have Pranav Goyal, who is the founder of a company called SBM Bioplastics. They are trying to disrupt the market in how we can use, the environmental waste in a better way, and how we can build products which can be used as daily utensils in our daily life. So quite a interesting company with Pranav, his sister, joining from IIM Ahmedabad. Both of them a duo trying to lead this company from the front. So thank you very much, all of you being here. Let me let me go straight to the first question relating to our topic and talk to the lady on the panel. Hello, Nandini. How are you doing today?
I'm good, sir. How are you doing?
All well. Just tell us quickly, what's your company about? What is it doing right now?
Adversity is an offline advertisement company. So we provide a structure for a proper space management system. So we have tied up with Himachal Pradesh and we are under their scheme, and we are helping them increase their tourism currently.
Perfect. I know you are with the Startup Himachal, Government of Himachal incubation program, and one of the incubated companies.
Yes.
Andhari, tell us, where is the country going to be if young students like you think of becoming employers and entrepreneurs?
Sir, currently at this stage, we can help, our country, because as if now India has a very poor management system in space. According to the, you can see every day that we do not have a proper management system. So we as a citizen can help our country develop in ways that India requires. So this is this is my contribution, my team's contribution towards our nation, and we'll help it grow to a higher position.
Okay, great. And what do you think is the contribution of young students like you? How can you change the whole entrepreneurship scenario? Do you want to, being a woman, do you want to encourage more women also coming in?
Yes, definitely, sir. As you can see, there are very less women right now, women who participate in entrepreneurship, and I, on the behalf of them, want to educate them, inspire them, so they can, become more into this field.
Good. We'll come back to you. Let me put the same question to Mr. Vipul Sharma. He is right now. Where are you, Vipul, right now?
Sir, I am in Bathinda right now.
Okay, the heartbeat of Punjab, Bathinda. Right, good. So, Vipul, tell me in your own language, whatever you feel comfortable with, what are your thoughts? What is missing? And what is the opportunity for students to become entrepreneurs? And also, most importantly, becoming entrepreneurs while they are educating themselves from first year, second year, third year. What are your thoughts?
Sir, the basic problem is when we reach a certain age, like you said, 24, 25, our thinking capacity changes, our priority changes. Like we think about what is going to be my salary and what are the things. While you are a student, you look around, you see problems which you face, and you have a better chance at solving them.
Okay, then what are the solutions? Like, what is the solution to create more young entrepreneurs in universities? Do universities need to do something different, or do country needs to have some better policies and more easy policies for startup? I believe you had some of your struggle also while building your company right now.
Yes, sir. So the basic problem with universities or school is we are taught what to do, but we are not shown the path right. So, for example, if a company has to start, we are never told like how to register it, how we have to go forward with it, how to talk to people. Like we study all this, more and more activities like talking to people, convincing. And I have an idea for classes 8th, 9th, and 10th. There should be a summer vacation internship program where they should be made to sell things, or they should be told to go around and do an internship for a company for a month or two, so that they actually come to know what the problems are.
So I think you'll agree that Chitkara University took a lead in creating such an environment and an ecosystem. Right now, we are on a panel talking to you, but you are suggesting that there should be a early internship program for real-time exposure, how to build companies and how to go, very clinical about that. Can you add a little more?
So definitely CAP helped me a lot, because it got me connection with many people who helped me in my startup at every stage possible. But the real problem which students face right now is like there is a mentality which we tend to grow from the age of like say +1 and +2, that get a job, a 50,000, 60,000 job, then you will be settled in life. Like there is no, for a person's creativity. Most of the people join CSC or this like अच्छी growth है, बाद में future secure हो जाएगा. Nothing like excites them in CSC, so they should follow what excites them.
Okay, they should follow their passion, and we also understand that you were the one who got the 50 lakh rupees grant from an investor, I would say, on the 6th of February. And the things are in process. Congratulations for that. We are very sure it's going to come into your box. So we'll come back to you. Let me have the comments from Mr. Arpit Sharma, who runs Celebrate, a startup which is managing the events and all, while in his diploma at the civil school at the university. This gentleman kept on doing his part-time, free-time freelancing and has built a company which has done billing over 4-5 lakh rupees, which is something amazing and congratulatory. So Arpit, you can connect your answers and thoughts to what Vipul and Nandini said. Okay, what are your thoughts on how, the country or the great country of India can have young students coming up and, attempting to become entrepreneurs, and that can contribute to the larger scene of developing economy of the country. So Arpit, your open thoughts, please.
Yes, sir. Right now, as we all know that we are going through the pandemic COVID-19, so it's a great opportunity for all of us, and it is the role and responsibility of all our youngsters to make in India. Like last time, जहाँ तक मैंने study किया है, जब भी कोई economic crisis होता है, so how to overcome that economic crisis in our own country. So I studied about that कि अगर आपको economic crisis को overcome करना है, then you have to produce, you have to manufacture all the goods, and you have to just buy things which are manufactured in your country only. So right now, government also helping a lot for youngsters, for women, and also I came to know about the government is providing the grant for the women entrepreneurs so that they can start their venture. So it's a great opportunity for all the youngsters. And I think I will go for with Vipul, like he said that we should start entrepreneurship classes in school itself. अगर हम स्कूल में +1 +2 में ही माइंडसेट ऐसा बना देंगे, लाइक टीचर्स आल्सो से इफ यू विल नॉट स्टडी यू विल नॉट गेट अ बेटर जॉब. सो स्टूडेंट का एक माइंडसेट बन रहा है लाइक जॉब. तो उस जॉब को हटाने के लिए वी शुड से दैट you should be a better entrepreneur. You have to set up venture. You have to create employment for others. So these things matters, and I think there should be activities which is related to entrepreneurship, and there should be a proper class. There should be proper subject related to entrepreneurship, so that students can start their venture in college itself after completing +1 and +2.
Like you did it.
Yes, sir, definitely.
How was the Chitkara ecosystem supporting you?
Chitkara is helping a lot, as we also stood third in our startup day, and all the credit goes to eCell entrepreneurship cell, I will say, and you helped a lot, sir, and others also helped a lot.
So you had a good exposure, building your confidence through these programs like eCell and events and all that stuff.
Yes, sir, I had a great exposure with Chitkara University eCell, and all the members, because they made an ecosystem, they made an environment related to entrepreneurship, and that's the thing which an individual person needs to build a startup or start its venture.
Wonderful. I'll just quickly have another quick question for you. When this anti-China thing was happening, that make in India, boycott China and all, what were the thoughts going in your mind at that time? उस टाइम क्या जज्बा को जागा था देश के लिए कि यह तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, मैं भी कुछ यहाँ पे और बड़ा करूँगा?
So literally, to be frank, I would like to say that कि उस टाइम आप ये लगा लो कि मैंने 4-5 कंपनी सोचने के लिए बहुत कुछ सोचा. लाइक हमने प्लेट्स के बारे में सोचा, वी विल गोइंग टू मैन्युफैक्चर प्लेट्स, तो उसके बारे में सोचा, फिर उसका पता लगा कि वी नीड 50 लाख रुपीज फॉर वन मशीन, तो आइडिया ड्रॉप हुआ. देन आई थॉट वी विल रादर ट्राई टू डू समथिंग एल्स. मतलब 4 to 5 थिंग्स, मतलब अगर देखा जाए तो हाइपोक्रेसी में वी जस्ट stood up for 4 to 5 countries in just lockdown, in just 1 month, and we discussed all the things about that, but we won't be able to go for that because it requires lots of money and lots of courage to do so that.
But thoughts to I, and I think you had
Yes, sir.
some dreams. You were felt sort of provoked, and you were more inspired in what happened. So that was a very thought-provoking moment for the whole country, and especially youngsters with this warm blood and want to do something with that jazba and some besharmi also, because entrepreneurship is something where you don't care. Especially you are a perfect.
Yes, sir.
I admire you
Yes,
for that. Let me have comments from this gentleman, Karanveer Singh, who is having his company and has now, he was telling me a few days back that he's got around 18-19 clients and has built over 3-4 lakh rupees in just 6-7 months. Mainly in the pandemic, he's made more clients. So Karanveer, what are your thoughts related to the questions I've asked the other panelists? What are your thoughts on how entrepreneurship at an early stage in schools, colleges, universities helps and contributes to build a nation like India, which is a very fast-paced economy and doing pretty well?
For example, like Chakara University has helped us a lot. Introducing the CAP program was a savior for us because, I wanted to do something in the fitness industry, but I didn't know where to begin. So, by getting the right mentors and industrialists from the, proper things, we get to know each and everything. And,
What's your company doing, Karanveer? What is your company about?
Generally, we customize home gyms for the people who are not able to go to the gym regularly or who faces issues like, hygiene issues. And sometimes the gyms are crowded, so people don't like working out there. So we, build the customized fitness hubs at their places according to their needs and, budgets.
Okay, so that's what your core is. We'll come back to you. And let me just go back to Pintu Mandal. Pintu.
Yes, sir.
कुछ कर दिखाना है, एंटरप्रेन्योर बन दिखाना है. अब मुझे इसके ऊपर आप थोड़ी बातें बताएं कि कैसे देश की एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो ब्रीड है, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की जो ब्रीड है, यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की, वो कैसे आगे आए और आप क्या कर रहे हैं वो भी पहले बताएं.
Right now, I am founder of ActiveCap. ActiveCap is a beverage packaging industry. The company concept is world best infusion cap technology. ActiveCap helps company from various business segments to expand their product line and generating growth using ActiveCap solution. सर मेरा थॉट ये है कि सर अगर जो यहाँ के कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हैं और जो इंडिया में जितने भी स्टूडेंट होते हैं, 80% स्टूडेंट गवर्नमेंट जॉब और प्राइवेट जॉब के पीछे भागते रहते हैं. 20% है जो सोचते हैं, जिसका ड्रीम बड़ा होता है कि मुझे स्टार्टअप करना है, क्योंकि जिसका ड्रीम बड़ा होता है वही एंटरप्रेन्योर बन पाता है. जिसने ड्रीम ही नहीं देखा कि मुझे लाइफ में ये करना है, 9 to 5 जॉब करके आप ड्रीम को पूरा नहीं कर सकते हो, एक लग्जरी ड्रीम पूरा नहीं कर सकते हो. जिसने ड्रीम देखा उसको लगा कि नहीं मुझे एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना है, यहाँ से मेरी ये ड्रीम पूरी हो सकती है. तो मैं ये सबसे ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि आप अल्टरनेटिव सोचो हमेशा. अगर आप गवर्नमेंट जॉब के लाइक, अगर मैं झारखंड से हूँ तो वहाँ के बच्चे क्या करते हैं कि हर घर के बच्चे पढ़ते हैं बाहर जाके, लेकिन सब सोचते हैं कि मुझे गवर्नमेंट जॉब चाहिए. गवर्नमेंट जॉब में उतनी वैकेंसी नहीं होती है, उतना सीट नहीं होती है जितने बच्चे होते हैं. फिर वहाँ पे ऐसी बेरोजगारी बढ़ती है और देश में बेरोजगारी ऐसे बढ़ रही है. लोग गवर्नमेंट जॉब के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, जॉब के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, कोई खुद का कुछ क्रिएट नहीं करना चाह रहे हैं. लाइक जैसे बाहर की कंट्री है, वहाँ पे लोग गवर्नमेंट जॉब के भरोसे नहीं बैठा हुआ है, वो खुद से कुछ बिजनेस करते हैं, खुद से कुछ प्रोडक्ट डेवलप करके मार्केट में सेल करते हैं. इसीलिए बाहर की कंट्री की ग्रोथ हमारी कंट्री से बहुत ज़्यादा है. अगर हमारी कंट्री का युवा, हमारी कंट्री के स्टूडेंट अगर अपने से खुद कुछ स्टार्टअप करे या बिजनेस करे, गवर्नमेंट जॉब के पीछे ना भागे, जो जिसको मिल गया सो मिल गया, अब जिसको नहीं मिल रहा है वो भी भागे जा रहे हैं. हाँ, तो
Good.
हमारे भारत की डेवलपमेंट हो सकती है जब युवा यहाँ के स्टूडेंट अपना खुद से कुछ बिजनेस और डेवलपमेंट और स्टार्टअप पे फोकस करे।
आपकी पर्सनालिटी एकदम लीडर जैसे है, तो
या
आपने
थैंक यू।
पॉलिटिक्स वगैरह नहीं सोचा, आप एंटरप्रेन्योर क्यों बन रहे हैं?
लाइक सर, एक्चुअली मैं बताऊं तो मैं जब 2016 में चितकारा आया था, उससे पहले कभी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप नाम का वर्ड नहीं सुना था, ना स्टार्टअप के बारे में कुछ पता था। चितकारा आके मैं ये सब के बारे में सुना कि स्टार्टअप होती है, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप होता है। फिर मेरे ना यहाँ पे एक ड्रीम आ गया कि नहीं, मुझे ये करना है, क्योंकि मेरे ड्रीम बहुत बड़े थे और ये ड्रीम मेरे जॉब करके पूरे नहीं हो सकते थे।
Good, good, good,
तो
very good, very inspiring. So I also know that you have.
तो मैं निकला हूँ ड्रीम पूरा करने के लिए।
हाँ,
थैंक यू सो मच, ऑलवेज
Next.
सपोर्टिंग मी, ऑलवेज मेंटरिंग मी।
we are
आप
always there.
या
We are
चितकारा ने मुझे जीरो से हीरो बनाने में बहुत हेल्प किया है और अब
नहीं, आप हो ही
मैं
हीरो।
हीरो बन के दिखाऊंगा।
नहीं, बिल्कुल बन के दिखाओगे, और टेक योर टाइम। मैं बड़ा
Yes.
इस चीज में, वी आर वेरी प्राउड दैट आपके पेटेंट्स भी हैं आपके नाम पे यूनिवर्सिटी की हेल्प से। और आपके दो आइडियाज डाउन भी हुए, पर मैंने ये देखा कि आपने फिर भी दोबारा खड़े होकर ये एक्टिव कैप जो बॉटलिंग प्लान आप कर रहे हैं बेवरेजेस को लाने के लिए, हेल्दी बेवरेजेस एंड ऑल, दिस
Yes.
इज, वी विल कम बैक
Yes.
टू यू सून। लेट अस
Yeah.
टॉक टू our another young entrepreneur before I come to the big daddy who's on the panel here, the big entrepreneur. Let us talk to Pranav Goyal. Pranav is from the Chitkara University Himachal campus, an amazing chap who has been also the ECEL president of Himachal Pradesh and campus, and done so well. Pranav, are you there? Can you hear me? Can you
Yes, sir.
can you add on to the thoughts what the other co-panelists have been commenting upon?
Sure, sir.
What's your thought?
Sir, it is all about setting an example and going on their own path. For example, when I came into the university and we looked into our startups which has been started by our seniors, like Anukai Solutions was one of them, and Jtai Nagari was one of them. So when we see our seniors growing, so they set an example for us. Similarly, when we set our examples for our juniors, for our colleagues, so they also get inspired from us that that they should also opt in for this kind of an entrepreneurial culture, and they can also start their own companies and employ other people. So this kind of a motivation is required, and this probably helped me personally in looking up to my seniors who have already started their own startups. So that was one of the major things which inspired me a lot in starting my own business.
What's your name of the company and what does it do in one line?
Yeah, it's SPM Bioplastic. We are trying to make a green marketplace for replacing all the existing plastics with bioplastics.
And it's a private limited company already.
Yes, it is a private limited company.
Okay, can you elaborate on the products you plan to sell in the market? Because that's what is very important.
Yes, initially we are trying to replace the FMCG products packaging. For example, the bread packaging we have these days, our initial target is to replace that with the biodegradable plastic. The normal the bread packaging we are receiving at our homes these days cannot degrade easily. They take around 400 to 500 years to degrade. Whereas we are trying to replace it with such a bioplastic which can easily degrade within a span of 1 year.
Okay, so you're trying to disrupt and bring a change in how our packaging happens and how it could, be consumed naturally, so that it doesn't bring some eventually an environmental hazard.
Yes, sir.
Good. So how many employees you have? You have some employees now, or you're just the co-founders?
Sir, we have hired interns as of now. We have not hired any regular employees. As soon as we start, we would definitely be hiring the regular employees also.
Good. We'll come back to you in the round 2 when we talk about business development and sales, and also some challenges students or young entrepreneurs face. So let me come back to Gaurav Goyal, who has done a great job, and he's a real son of our country also, and how he has done the Chitkara University proud with his patents, with his awards he's got, with his Punjab government as one of his major client in setting up the traffic management systems in the great city of Mohali. And I have heard that now they are having opportunities in the city of Chandigarh, where they are going to put some installations of their innovation, which is how to manage traffic more faster more safer, and more efficiently. So Gaurav, you have been hearing the young students, and you are senior to them. Um, Let me ask you a straight question. How did you start your company?
सर
While
आपने
being
बोल
faculty. Yeah,
या श्योर मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ सर आज
बिल्कुल।
इंग्लिश काफी हो गया आज के
गुरु
लिए
ने बोला, बोलिए, कोई बात।
पहले तो सर रियली इट्स आई वुड सरप्राइजिंग, हिंदी नहीं पता इसका, पर एवरेज एज इस पैनल का आई गेस 21-22 या कुछ ऐसा होगा, अगर आपको और मेरे को थोड़ा दूर रखे उस साइड से।
नहीं, मेरे को मत
एंड आई
साइड पे, मैं वही
सर
एज।
आई एक यूनिकनेस है इस पैनल की कि मैं पहली बार ऐसे पैनल को देख रहा हूँ जो बात कर रहा है जिसका एवरेज एज इतना कम है। तो दैट वो अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है। राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर ऑल दीज गाइस। मतलब इस एज में आई डिडंट स्टार्ट एट दिस एज, मतलब ये लोग तो बहुत आगे हैं। लिटरली हैट्स ऑफ टू देम व्हाइल स्टडिंग 5th-6th सेमेस्टर में। विपुल 5th में था, करण आई गेस 5th में, आई नो प्रणव, दीज गाइस स्टार्टेड इन 4th-5th सेमेस्टर। उस टाइम पे ये मेच्योरिटी होनी और अपना बनाना कुछ इज लाइक वाओ, लिटरली हैट्स ऑफ। बिना किसी सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी के कूद पड़े हैं और नॉट गोइंग विद द फ्लो, होता ना कि फ्लो के साथ जाओ, ये नदी में उल्टा ही जा रहे हैं और पहुंच जाएंगे ग्लेशियर तक। तो हैट्स ऑफ सर। एंड आई नो आपसे कहीं ना कहीं लिंक्ड हैं सारे, और मेरा फर्स्ट कनेक्ट आपने बनवाया था, इनका भी आई गेस इन सम वे यू आर the centroid of every startup who is pitching or saying things about.
No,
right
it is totally the motivation coming from the management, to be honest, the faith they have in us.
Exactly.
And that gives us the motivation every morning that they trust us, so we're going to do something great. So it's a teamwork.
Definitely sir, definitely. हमारी जर्नी सर एक सिग्नल पे स्टार्ट हुई थी। कॉलेज बस में थे, बैठे हैं, सामने दिख रहा है कि ग्रीन लाइट है पर कोई गाड़ी नहीं खड़ी है, तो बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग है। आई एम ट्रैवलिंग, मैं 4 साल चितकारा बस से ही गया हूँ और 2015 में ज्वाइन करा था, फिर से 5 साल से बस में ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ और एक पर्टिकुलर सिग्नल पे रोज ऐसा हो रहा है। तो बस वही एक सीड है जो दिमाग में बैठ गया है कि ये सॉल्व करना है। एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, ये ओके ये वर्ड्स हैं, चलते जाएंगे, पर द बेसिक डेफिनेशन आई वुड से इसकी एक प्रॉब्लम दिख रही है, वो सॉल्व करना है, एंड दैट्स इट। और ये इन सबके दिमाग में कहीं ना कहीं एक सीड प्लांटेड है। वो विपुल को पता है कि एक प्रॉब्लम है कि चितकारा का बच्चा अगर उसको झांसला जाना है तो कैसे जाएगा, मुश्किल है, स्कूटी खड़ा देते हैं बाहर एंड आई विल चार्ज, मेरा बिजनेस हो गया। करण कह रहा है कि जिम जाना, जैसे मैं 2 बार मेंबरशिप ले चुका हूँ, वी डोंट गो, घर में ही सेट करके दे रहा है। हैट्स ऑफ। मतलब योर माली के बारे में सुना आपसे, लाइक लिटरली, मतलब अमेजिंग सर। हमारा कुछ भी नहीं लगता है इनके आगे, तो आई एम एक्चुअली बीइंग इंस्पायर्ड राइट नाउ फ्रॉम देयर एफर्ट्स, ट्रूली हैट्स ऑफ। प्लस सर इन सब ने बोला कि स्कूलिंग से शुरू हो जाना चाहिए, दैट इज करेक्ट। एजुकेशन पॉलिसी बदला है हमारा, आई नो कहीं ना कहीं आगे चल के इसमें एजुकेशन एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप भी जुड़ जाएगा, उसी की जरूरत है। 2 दिन पहले सोशल नेटवर्क दोबारा देख रहा था, द जकरबर्ग मूवी, उसमें हार्वर्ड का डीन बोलता है, इट इज बेटर टू इन्वेंट अ जॉब देन फाइंड अ जॉब राइट नाउ। जॉब ढूंढना इस टाइम मुश्किल है, आप बना बहुत आसानी से सकते हो, सिर्फ एक सोल्यूशन ढूंढने की देरी है। कल परसों यूट्यूब पे देख रहा था, एक बच्चे ने एक सोल्यूशन बनाया है। दूध सुबह आता है घर में, पतीले में रख के पापा 2 बार भूल चुके हैं, वो सारा दूध बाहर आ गया। उसने सेंसर लगा के कोड करके बना दिया है कि जब भी वो भर जाएगा अलार्म बज जाएगा, आप दूध बंद कर लो। ब्रिलियंट। मैं सोचता हूँ मेरे को अगर वो सोल्यूशन दे रहा है इतने पैसे में, मैं पहला कस्टमर हूँ। सच प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल सर। बस अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम दिख रही है, ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट, मनी विल फॉलो। इट विल टेक टाइम, बहुत 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 पेशेंस चाहिए। इट विल, आपको वही है कि इट विल नॉक यू आउट 10 times बट यू हैव टू गेट अप द 11th time।
No, I think you are absolutely right that you need to invent jobs, and this is the time, as per that Harvard professor, to invent jobs rather than look for jobs. We're going to come back to you. Let me take some views from Arpit again. Arpit, now we understood that how you started it was a struggle, because more of it is a mental determination, and how your mental makeup is, and how you want to bring a goal and you feel, okay, I have to achieve this, then only I'll sit and rest. So Arpit, let's talk about the challenge you had. I keep on hearing from you that you have a lot of clients, which was your strength. You took you were like one step forward in going out and reaching out to people. But personally speaking, somewhere I personally feel when we deal with students, I don't want to just paint a glossy picture. I'm very straightforward on this, that I feel that students at most of the university, or colleges, they want to do companies. They want to be termed as I'm the founder and he is my teammate. I hear their stories and the teammate is doing a lot of work. How important is the role of a leader to reach out to people and build the company? What is the real definition of a founder, Arpit? Then we come back to Nandini. Please be prepared.
So first of all, I would like to say that today I am founder because of my team. And मैं अपने हर एक टीम मेंबर को सिर्फ यही बात बोलता हूँ कि you all are founders because we have one goal, one determination, and we are all into the one same path. I just don't tell them to do that work, to do the work which is given to them. I just, अगर कोई उस work नहीं करता तो it's my responsibility to do that. And all the credit goes to team, to Vishal Dua. He's the co-founder and managing director of Celebrate. So we work
now coming on to that, I'm going to take liberty to congratulate you. I remember a year back when you came and the company has just started, just I think 5-6 years old, and you made me meet 4 people in my office, and they were all sitting with their laptops, smartly dressed up with Celebrate t-shirts, and I'm saying, who all are these people? And you said, sir, this is director finance, this is the co-managing director, this is director HR. Man, hats off to you and your jazba that you already set the designations before the company was formed, and they were all committed and determined to you. How do you bring such leadership qualities when you bring them all so much together? Yeah?
So by showing their value to themselves. If the person is right now in my team, so what we have to do is tell him or her their value. So अगर उनको पता है कि like if you will not provide value to even a labor person, then he will not work for you. If you are providing value, if you are giving value, if you are giving respect to that person, then he or she will definitely work for you. And there should be particular goal, there should be particular short-term goal. He or she should know that what is the role and what is the responsibility of that individual person in your team or in your company. So
wonderful,
I think that's
wonderful.
That's
and just a general question, you don't have to be on the exact figures. What type of amount of business you guys have done in the last 1 year? Just general number.
In last one, actually right now it's in COVID. In 2019, I think we just crossed 4 lakh rupees, and we just earned profit only from. We just worked with Indian Army also, and we had done events with Hyundai. And in Chandigarh University, we are getting events from Chandigarh University and from Chitara University itself. And we are the main event management company, and we manage all the events of Swide College also. So we have clients. We have.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
No, I think that's commendable. That's commendable. पढ़ते हुए आपने ethical तरीके से कंपनी बनाई और पैसे कमा रहे हैं, 4 लाख से ऊपर कमाया, and pandemic में भी हम आपके events देख रहे थे इंटरनेट पे. Good. Let us come back to Nandini, who is running an advertising company. Nandini, now let us talk about the challenges what you're going through. What are you missing? Do you think, being a founder, it's not that everything you can do, you need more people? Is it tough to find a team when you are setting up a company?
It's definitely tough to find a team because everyone does not have the same motivation to perform. So as a founder, you can't rely on anybody to do the work the right way. You have to judge a person accordingly. You have to look into them. So we had a lot of problems involving our team because in college, as you can see, we are right now studying. So some of them are interested as of we are friends, so you can take us into a team.
Which year are you now?
I'm in 5th year. I'm in 5th semester right now, 3rd year. Yeah. So we face that problem. We also face problems in some students approach us only so they have to earn the money. They do not want to work to earn the money. So they the work. We will just be in the team.
बहुत तंग करते हैं बच्चे, बहुत तंग करते हैं. They are not stable. They come and go.
Yes,
They
sir.
just want money,
Yes, sir. So
and they
they are,
want bunk classes sometimes.
yeah. So it's like just we want to earn, we want to be rich in 1 month only. So that's
Oh,
not, that does not work. So we have to work for it. So that's not the motivation, the passion we are receiving right now. That's a struggle for us. One more struggle is that due to the COVID, our business has been pushed to a setback because our business is offline right now. So we are working on becoming it online. We are making it online so that we can, till date we can start our business right to the mark. But
you guys, are doing offline hoardings on roads and all,
yes,
taking,
sir.
attempting to, win the tenders, what the government floats, advertising tenders, sunboards, billboards, and all that stuff,
Yes, sir.
with right. Good. So that's great. I think keep on, keep the offline mode also on in your mind. Eventually it has to be displayed.
Offline only. We are only doing online business. We are reaching companies through online mode. We are doing video conference with them through online, but our business is offline only.
Wonderful, wonderful. Congrats to you and Saurabh. We'll come back to you. Let me have some comments on, the struggle part from Vipul. Vipul, can you hear me? Vipul? Can we have Vipul Sharma?
I think his connection.
Okay, no problem. Let us have thoughts from Pranav. Pranav, let us talk about a challenge on the team making form. See, if we have to achieve the bigger dream of becoming an entrepreneur, make the economics work, and contribute to the larger employment scenario which the country is aiming at. But we have to go through this whole early stage formation, struggle, build-ups, and a lot of hard work. One of the hard work challenge which I see, and many other people feel the same, is finding the right kind of team and the talent pool. What are the plans for SBM Bioplastics Private Limited with 2 co-founders there and few interns? What are your plans on building the team, and what are the challenges you're facing?
The challenges again comes the motivation. Motivation has to be given by the founders itself. That could be, giving them good rewards, giving them good equity in the company, and giving them the reason to work with us. If the founders are able to give them the reason by whether it is rewards, whether it is a salary, whether it is a equity thing. So if we are giving them a solid reason and determination to work for the company, considering as their own, so that is the we look for that only, and that is, I believe, which is the best point that anybody would like to join the company.
Yeah, but right now, your current priority would be to have a small plant where you can manufacture this packaging stuff, or do your research and all. Where are you planning that?
So we are planning it in 2 states, basically, Himachal and Punjab. Depending upon how the economics of the companies goes on, we are looking into Himachal Baddi or in Fagwada, Punjab. So
are you going to rent out a space?
Yes, initially we are going to rent out the space.
Okay, great. Okay, let's have some thoughts from Pintu. Pintu, what are the struggles once you've done with this active cap, which is a very innovative bottle cap? It can be used on a mineral water bottle. It could be used on a beverage. It can be used on a soda water bottle. It can be used on plain water where you just press it and push it, and the kind of vitamins or multivitamins or the energy solution you want into that water, and while you are doing gymming or traveling in heat or whatever, you get that kind of balance of your nutrients you want. Now, how are you going to do this mass production, and how are you going to sell this? Because sales is the most critical part when a company has to form. Startups and companies can't be built on grants and awards. Those bring motivations, encouragements, and all that stuff. You can't wait and say, okay, grant aayega, prototype banega, tab main company banaunga. Right? Sales, clients, business, scaling up, ये चीजें सबसे जरूरी है. उस चीज पे आपका क्या प्लान है? कैसे इसको आगे लेके जाओगे?
सर, स्टार्टिंग में जैसे हमने ये शुरू किया था, तो हमने देखा कि जो भी मार्केट में एनर्जी ड्रिंक या विटामिन ड्रिंक और ऐसे बहुत सारे मेडिसिन होते हैं जिसकी शेल्फ लाइफ बहुत कम होती है. अगर आप उसे किसी भी लिक्विड में मिला के छोड़ देते हो आफ्टर ए प्रॉपर पैकेजिंग ए वीक, वो विटामिन या कोई भी ड्रिंक या वो 50% पोटेंशियल लूज कर जाता है, क्योंकि किसी भी विटामिन ड्रिंक या एनर्जी ड्रिंक में मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स होता है विटामिन बी एंड विटामिन सी, और वो विटामिन बी एंड विटामिन सी वाटर सोल्यूबल होते हैं।
ओके।
जब भी उसे हम किसी पानी या लिक्विड के साथ मिलाते हैं तो उसकी पोटेंशियल लूज हो जाती है आफ्टर ए वीक। तो एक्टिव कैप एक हम क्या करते हैं, जो बेवरेज कंपनी है, हमारा बिजनेस मॉडल B2B है, लाइक कोई भी बेवरेज इंडस्ट्री है या फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री है, हम उसे एक पैकेजिंग मटेरियल सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जिससे कि उसके प्रोडक्ट का ग्रोथ लाइन बढ़ता है, मार्केट में एक अलग पहचान होती है कि नहीं, हम अगर एक्टिव कैप सॉल्यूशन हम यूज कर रहे हैं तो हमारी जो मेडिसिन है या ड्रिंक है उसकी सेल्फ लाइफ बढ़ती है, और उसमें कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा प्रिजर्वेटिव नहीं डालना पड़ता है, तो ये सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करता है।
So when are you going to book your first big order? Are you thinking of reaching to some bottling companies like the Coca-Cola bottling company, the
Sir,
Jindal
actually
Steel
अभी
bottling company?
यस है सर, एक्चुअली अभी हमारी किसी अम्बाला की एक कंपनी है, अंसज, अभी उस मेरे जो को फाउंडर अंसज है वो उससे बात कर रही है, ठीक है, वो कंपनी एग्री है कि हाँ आप अपना सॉल्यूशन दिखाओ हमें। अभी हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट है वो लास्ट डेवलपमेंट स्टेज में है, अभी रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग पे ये चल रहा है। जैसे ही हमारी डेवलपमेंट कंप्लीट होती है हम कंपनी से कंसल्टिंग करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे और उसे हम डेवलप करके या मैन्युफैक्चर करके उसको सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करेंगे।
I also know that you got a grant from Newgen IEDC from
Yes, sir.
Chakara,
Yes, sir.
and
ये
which is something very important and very helpful. How have you used that grant? Is your prototype out?
यस सर, एक्चुअली सर स्टार्टिंग में इनिशियल लेवल पे अगर आपको कहीं से ग्रांट मिलता है वो स्टार्टअप के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होता है, क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग में आपके जेब से उतने पैसे नहीं होते कि आप खुद से प्रोडक्ट डेवलप कर सको। तो ये एक बहुत बड़ी हमारे लिए अचीवमेंट था स्टार्टिंग में कि हमें न्यूजन आईडीसी से 2.5 लाख का ग्रांट मिला था। और रिसेंटली अभी हमारा स्टार्टअप जो हमारी कंपनी है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ हिमाचल से रिकॉग्नाइज हुआ है। हाँ, तो that's all.
और एक encouragement है. So my suggestion would be that, you know, it's very generic. Look at how you're going to set up your marketing team, how you as a co-founder or the founder planning to pack your bag and walk out into the market, do 5 calls a day and get one confirmation, go and meet that bottling company owner and, you know, take your product and sell it. Because at the end of the day, sales is the key point of any business. And, you know, you should be somebody who can sell snow to an Eskimo, you know.
Yes,
so that's what your spirit should be. So let me come back to, if Vipul has joined back. Vipul, I think he's occupied or has some connection, but let us come back to Gaurav. So Gaurav, you have secured some orders, right? I also know that you have been reaching out to people, government tenders and all, and also you know your product was something more to do with B2B, the government to government thing largely. And what are your thoughts on the private sector market? How is your, you know, in the changing scenario of infrastructure, architecture, cities are coming out to be in a very, you know, different sort of, infrastructure which is coming up in terms of road safety and all that stuff. Customized cities and more innovation is happening in cities at every level. Do you see scope, and are you trying to reach out? Are you trying to scale the sales team and have more, you know, orders secured?
Definitely, sir. COVID was a blessing in disguise for us. We haven't aimed for smart cities before COVID, पर अभी जैसे आपने बोला हर city को smart होना है, लुधियाना, चंडीगढ़, all of them are in pipeline of becoming smart cities. तो हमने थोड़ा pivot लिया है, ट्रैफिक के साथ साथ हम डेटा मोनेटाइजेशन में आ रहे हैं। डेटा मोनेटाइजेशन एज इन हम सिटी प्लानर्स या म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशंस को ट्रैफिक मैनेजमेंट के साथ एक बेटर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्लानिंग का भी डेटा दे सकते हैं। अब हर डिसीजन के पीछे प्लानिंग होनी चाहिए, प्लानिंग के लिए यू नीड डेटा। अगर डेटा नहीं है तो जो भी आप इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे दैट वुड गिव यू अ वेरी बैड रिजल्ट। तो हम वो डेटा प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, प्लस अब हम B2B में भी वी हैव अ सॉफ्ट कमिटमेंट। We want Google's Build for Digital India. Google is partnering with us, and Here Maps, a big car navigation platform system, is tying with us for this data. So definitely we are looking into that. Plus, we're also working for NHAI. We're trying to get a contract from NHAI to deploy the system at toll plazas also. We're working for that.
That's a great scope. You know, yesterday I was reading that, you know, in 1200 some kilometers, there is a 8-lane happening from Delhi to Mumbai, and it is eventually going to be 10 lanes. You know, so the NHI and the Ministry of Road Transport, and that's something new thing coming up. You know.
Yes sir. एग्जैक्टली अभी एक एडवाइस मेरा सबके लिए भी है, हम थोड़ा पिवट या शिफ्ट करने से थोड़ा डरते हैं कि एक आइडिया को लेके एक फाउंडर काफी सेंटिमेंटल हो जाता है कि दिस इज, ये सोचा था थोड़ा बदल गया है, तो हमें थोड़ा सा सेंटिमेंट्स को कंट्रोल में रख के if the situation requires, you should pivot a bit. That is what we did during COVID, and that is what helped us crack 2 new contracts. So we should definitely look into that.
And what are your last thoughts before I come on to the message from everybody and take few audience questions? Meanwhile, anybody from the audience has questions can type into the chat box. How important is the sales part? Do you think in these young startups in universities and colleges need to go through some formal training to open them up and, you know, learn how to sell and how to express and how to present their product better or service?
Definitely sir, definitely. करके सीखना थोड़ा tricky है. मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा आप जाके करके सीखो sales, because you might lose a potential order due to that. तो अगर ट्रेनिंग मिल जाए इनको कॉलेज लेवल पे ही कि हाउ टू अप्रोच सेल्स, क्या बोलना है क्या नहीं बोलना है, हाउ टू हैंडल सिनेरियोज, देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स दैट दे कैन रीड अबाउट, तो वो ट्रेनिंग एक फॉर्मल बहुत जरूरी है. आई नो कि करके ही सीखेंगे, जब तक ये अप्रोच करेंगे नहीं, बात नहीं होगा क्लाइंट से, तब तक नहीं समझ आएगा. बट स्टिल आई माई सेल्फ हैव लॉस्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, मेनी ऑर्डर्स ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ दैट स्किल इनिशियली. But they should definitely go some sort of training before approaching a client, because market.
So you believe there has to be somewhere a formal training? You believe that?
There should be, sir. There should be.
And see, like, let's say Chitkara University hosts a seed accelerator program, CAP, right? And 6 companies born out of the first CAP. Few of them are here. One of them raised capital. You raised around 80 lakh rupees at the India Fund Fest. You know, that was something commendable for your company, Anukai. And you are a living example of how to raise capital and how to use it, which is eventually going to happen. What are your quick thoughts I'll take on, you know, let's say first year engineering or first year students of business school, getting some exposure to work with like folks like Karan, Arpit, Pranav, you know, who are already running the startups and they code for them and they also understand some element of startups, no? And then eventually build their company and mindset development started at first year. What are your thoughts? Maybe a one credit or two.
Mind-blowing idea, sir. Mind-blowing idea, sir. Mind-blowing. इससे better नहीं हो पाएगा. Instead of giving them a formal coaching कि हाँ हम एक classroom coaching उनको दें, इन सब के साथ अगर वो बैठते हैं दिन में चाहे आधा घंटा 1 घंटा, maybe a conversation of 10 minutes only, that seed of entrepreneurship will automatically be planted. वो बहुत अच्छा होगा. मतलब मेरी टीम जो है वो ऐसे ही बिल्ड हुई है. हमारे पास सारे my team is now 10 students strong. हम सब students बोल रहे हैं खुद को, तो सभी चितकारा के हैं. And we all were connected like this. 5 मिनट बात करी, 10 मिनट बात करा, and that grew. And then maybe some of them ending up joining them as a team
I think that's a brilliant example. Students joining you, you know, and you running a company, and it's like a collaboration from a first or second year student with somebody who's doing a startup in the final year or the 3rd year or the 6th or 7th semester. That's a great combo, and you know the trust building happens and more things come more solidly to make that company. Vipul, we were waiting for your comments. You know, I was wanting to ask you, thanks Gaurav, I was wanting to ask you that now I think 2 days back government has also announced that electric vehicles don't need batteries. I hope you read it.
Yes, sir.
You know, what is your scope of your e-mobility company right now, which raised around 50 lakh rupees at the India Fund Fest, and also, you know, trying to now build customers. I think you bought 4-5 more new bikes. How is it an opportunity when the government announces that, you know, you don't need batteries to run electric vehicles? What are your thoughts? आपके क्या thoughts हैं? Quickly.
सर बेसिकली अगर हम वैसे पैंडेमिक को देखें तो ये हमारे लिए एक बहुत बढ़िया चीज हो सकती है कि ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज ही है, क्योंकि अब जो पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है उसके अंदर लोगों का ट्रस्ट कम हो रहा है. सो दे विल ट्राई एंड गो फ्रॉम द शॉर्ट टाइम ओन्ड व्हीकल्स. लाइक उन्हें ऐसा लगेगा कि अगर खुद की बाइक लेके जा रहे हैं तो ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल है. सेकंड सर इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स की बेटर पार्ट ये है, एक तो इको फ्रेंडली हो गए. सेकंड थिंग, दे वर वेरी कॉस्टली. हमें एक बैटरी स्पेयर रखनी पड़ती थी अगर किसी को लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन ट्रैवल करना है. अभी इंडिया के अंदर डेवलपमेंट इतना डेवलप नहीं हुआ है इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स, मे बी इन कमिंग 5 ईयर और 10 ईयर वो और डेवलप हो जाएगा कि इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स हम रेगुलरली देख सकेंगे अराउंड.
I think we will discuss this because it's a great opportunity that the battery issue could be, solved rather than, struggling for good battery for a longer run of the vehicle. And now there is a possibility that you don't need batteries, you can still produce and run electric vehicles. We'll discuss on this, all offline when we meet for a mentoring session in the, I would say, the seed war room. And let me go back to Pintu for his thoughts on having a sales team. Pintu, can you just give some thoughts?
एक्चुअली स्टार्टअप आइडिया तो एक बेसिक चीज होती है, मेन तो सेल होती है कि आप कंपनी को किस तरह से अप्रोच करते हो, कस्टमर को किस तरह से अप्रोच करते हो, अपना प्रोडक्ट कैसे उसको सेल करते हो, ये बहुत बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती है. और अभी हमारे जो हम इनिशियल लेवल पे हैं, जो हम कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हैं, उनके लिए ये पार्ट काफी स्ट्रगल होता है.
So sales training will be a better idea. That's the question.
क्योंकि हमें सेल के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं होता है.
तो ट्रेनिंग बेटर रहेगी अगर उनको
तो
ट्रेन की जाए.
यस सर, क्योंकि अगर हमें जैसे हमने कैप ज्वाइन किया था, तो कैप एक बहुत ही ऐसा हमारे लिए एक मिनी एमबीए था कि हमने बिजनेस सीखा वहाँ पे करना, कि बिजनेस कैसे होता है. हाँ.
Right. Good. So let me go back to, we have a lot of questions coming up. We have questions from Swati Chadha. We have questions from Parminder Kaur. I think she is also a part of CAP 2, if I'm not wrong, the name is correct. She's asking that a lot of people are going on shifting more towards online websites and business. And what is the future of physical ventures? And how do we deal with frustrated customers during the pandemic? So maybe Gaurav, you can answer this, or maybe Arpit can answer.
Yes, I would like to add.
Yeah, please.
Okay,
Yep, you can.
Okay, let Gaurav answer, and then
Yep.
quickly Arpit, you add. So frustrated customers, how do you deal with in pandemic?
Meditation is the key. I guess you should meditate yourself.
Okay.
और कोई भी नहीं है सर. फ्रस्ट्रेशन है तो एज अ फाउंडर यू हैव टू सिंक दैट इन, बिकॉज यू नो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ही इज द किंग. अगर वो कस्टमर है तो उसके बिना आप नहीं हो, तो you have to sink it in and try to come up with a calmer mind. It should be you who has a calmer mind.
I think that's the key. Arpit, quickly add, because now we have 7 minutes to go and we'll take these questions which are pouring in with over 70 participants here live. We will get these questions offline address. What are your thoughts quickly, Arpit?
Sure. So it's all about dealing with the customers. Like if the customers are frustrating, then how we have to deal with them, that's the main point. And we have to provide our service according to them. And we have, if they want our service like that, we have to provide that service according to them. And it's all about satisfying the customer, basically.
Good.
Business is all about satisfying the customer.
We will connect Parminder Kaur to you and your team to discuss more offline. Now, the way we started this event, time just flew by, and we are now coming to the tail end. I wish we would have talked more. And let me take now the message from each one of you on the 74th Independence Day of the great country. Patriotic, each one from the heart, and everybody committed to make the bigger mission of the Prime Minister of India, and on his 7th consecutive address today to the nation. And how, you guys, a young brigade of startups, trying to contribute and build this nation. Quickly to Nandini. Nandini, quick message. What do you have to say on this auspicious day for young people, youth of this country? Is Nandini there? If not Nandini, can we start with Vipul? Fast, please, Vipul.
Sir, the message is कि अब हमें ना इंडिपेंडेंस 74 इयर्स पहले मिल गई है. अब हमें मेंटली फ्रीडम से में आना है कि हम किसी के पीछे नहीं लगेंगे, हम खुद से कुछ एस्टैब्लिश करेंगे अब अपना,
और कुछ करके दिखाएंगे. वेरी गुड.
यस सर.
पीछे लगू नहीं बनना. बिल्कुल ठीक. नेक्स्ट, प्रणव गोयल.
सर, वही सेम पॉइंट फिर से कि लेट्स सेट एन एग्जांपल फॉर ईच एंड एवरीबॉडी, फॉर आवर कलीग्स, फॉर आवर जूनियर्स एंड फॉर आवर सीनियर्स, एंड लेट्स गो ऑन विद दिस and build something great for this nation.
Beautiful. Pintu Mandal.
चाइना बैकवर्ड होने के बाद ना इंडिया में एक बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है बिजनेस स्टेबल करने का. अभी यहाँ पे मैं बोलता हूँ खुद का कोई बिजनेस करो, कोई भी चीज छोटी सी पार्ट ले लो, उसको मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करो या फोन का कवर हो, वहां से स्टार्ट करो और इंडिया को मेक इन इंडिया बनाओ.
मेक इन इंडिया बनाना ही हमारा मिशन है.
यस,
बिल्कुल सही बात है पिंटू. थैंक यू वेरी मच. मजा आ गया. नेक्स्ट, do we have Nandini back? Karanveer? Karanveer is there? Either of them?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Karanveer, what's your message, handsome man? आप तो बॉम्बे जाने चाहिए थे, आप क्या बॉडी बिल्डिंग का बिजनेस शुरू कर लिया? हाँ?
सर इंटरेस्ट था इस चीज में, तो सर
No,
मैसेज
we
में
appreciate. And I must tell you, and my viewers and the panelists here, pandemic में इस बंदे ने 15-16 clients बनाए for his company. Trust me. And he was so religiously, disciplinedly, committedly sending me texts in the pandemic, the core pandemic, the lockdown, that this is now this client, this is what we have done. Brilliant. Very good. Congratulations.
थैंक यू सर.
What's your message?
सर बस यही बोलूंगा कि परसिस्टेंस और कंसिस्टेंसी, हार्ड वर्क करते रहो, क्योंकि सेटबैक्स बहुत आएंगे, बट यू नो कि कैसे फाइट बैक करोगे उसको, यही मेन चीज है.
Good, good. Has Nandini joined back or we go to Gaurav? Gaurav, can we have your message?
डेफिनेटली सर, मैं अपने पीएम सर को ही कोट करूंगा. आत्मनिर्भर बनना है सर अब सबको ही. आई गेस उन्होंने इंडिया के लिए एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का एक हिंदी कीवर्ड हमें दे दिया है, तो आत्मनिर्भरता जो हमें अचीव करनी है. और एक सर एक छोटा सा सजेशन है, हम एक्सप्लोर हब में ये कहीं पे वी शुड हैव इट रिटन समवेयर, आत्मनिर्भर इन हिंदी. लाइक इट शुड बी वेरी मोटिवेटिंग थिंग के अब डिपेंडेंट नहीं रहना है हमें किसी पे भी. जॉब्स पे, मतलब हम अपना लाइफ किसी की जॉब पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं रहेंगे, हम खुद का करेंगे. So that is what should be our aim.
I think that's a brilliant suggestion. Soon it's going to happen. We at Team Seed are going to, and you sit in Explore Hub because your company, one of your offices is there, and we will do this. And also, I think let us take a vow, all of us who are on the panel, that today we are sitting here and let's talk. And the next Independence Day on the 75th Independence Day, when I would love to hear, and you know, the university, the management, the faculty, love to hear them. And Pintu Mandal is saying, मेरे पास यार 70 employees हो गए, 20 छोड़ के चले गए, पर मैं 50 और ढूंढ रहा हूँ. You know, that's what should be. I would love to hear. And Pranav Goel saying, you know, I've set up my factory and the production is happening. And when you know, here comes Pintu again and says, "Ki my bottling, you know, this Dhillo bottling company is going to be bigger order now. I'm reaching PepsiCo and all." And then Vipul comes and says, you know, battery की तो जरूरत ही नहीं है, हमने तो you know राजपुरा, चंडीगढ़, ट्राई सिटी में अपनी सर्विस शुरू कर दी है, 100 बाइक्स हो गई हमारी. And celebrate, you know, is doing a bigger event for all of you to celebrate all of your success. You know, that's what I'm envisioning. You know, and anybody wants to add parting note? I would definitely like to thank Abha who set up this event along with Dr. Adarsh. You know, so thanks to Abha for setting up this event. Anybody from you guys want to add for the last 2 minutes? We have 2 more minutes to go. Any comments you have? Anybody?
I would like to add.
Yes.
एक शायरी से आज हो जाए, it's on 15th अगस्त से. तो सर झुके बस उस शहादत में, सर झुके बस उस शहादत में जो शहीद हुए हमारी हिफाजत में.
वाह वाह वाह.
Happy Independence Day to all.
You know, this is something beautiful. दोबारा पढ़ के सुनाइए सर, दोबारा पढ़ के सुनाइए.
सर झुके बस उस शहादत में, सर झुके बस उस शहादत में जो शहीद हुए हमारी हिफाजत में.
Beautiful, beautiful. Somebody's sacrifices
Thank you very much.
Bringing smile and prosperity in our life. Let's you know salute our soldiers on this Independence Day. It's not easier said and done to go into those adversities and live there, you know, leaving their beautiful families and little children, mothers, daughters, brothers, sisters, grandparents, parents, and then, you know, bring smiles on faces of youngsters like you, you know. And with that commitment, with that note, we are so much thankful to all of you to come in, and especially your determination and commitment to build these companies, because what your aim, I can understand, is कि कुछ कर दिखाना है और entrepreneur बन दिखाना है, employer बन दिखाना है. So congratulations, happy Independence Day. See you everybody. Thank you very much. Greetings from Chitkara University and the family. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Bye.